Now then, my YouTube friends, I'm just putting this out there. Few of you today noticed that I was trying to stream a little on Twitch and on YouTube, just getting stuff back together, getting cameras up and running again. And I want to start doing something a little bit different on the channel. There's an awful lot of stuff out there at the moment about my printer's better than your printer, this printer company is better than that printer company, and quite frankly I'm getting sick of it, and I want to take things back to grassroots where we all started, and I want to start doing streams and videos about how you got into 3D printing, your first interaction with 3D printing, your first print, your first machine and stuff like that. And I'd really like to do a few videos with a few people coming on, not necessarily having to do videos, but just being in the room, talking in the chat, explaining how they got to where they are now and what got them started in 3D printing. If you think this is a good idea, just hit me up either in the comments below or you can message me and we'll try and take this forward. I just want to get rid of all this aggro and hassle that there seems to be in 3D printing forums at the moment and get right back to grassroots, back to how things used to be, where everybody helped everybody. If you think it's a good idea, like I say, hit me up in the comments or message me and we'll try and sort something out. Take care guys, have a great evening, speak to you later.